Hey besties, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes, but I'm also going to be unstuffing some money from my sinking fund so that I can pay my credit card bill. So if that's something that you're here for, go ahead and keep on watching. So this is gonna be like a two-part video. If you haven't already seen the budget video and how I have decided which amounts are going to be going to what envelope and how I strategize with that, I really encourage that you watch that video as well. I'm going to link it at the end of this video, but that will give you some context of why I choose the amount of money for the category to take the cash out. Now, also what I'm starting to do is use my credit card for certain purchases, and then I'm paying those purchases off with money. And part of that is what we're going to be doing in part one of today's video. But for right now, I am going to be completing the cash breakdown, the cash envelope breakdown sheet here, so that I can take this to the bank and I can get the money out, and then I can also deposit the money that I need to so that I can make that credit card payment. So let's get going. So this is for the November 22nd paycheck, and the first amount of cash that I'm going to be taking out is groceries, and the groceries is going to be getting $100. I also need to complete this up here as well. Hundreds, 50s, 20s. This is the denomination area, 10s, 5s, and 1s. So I'm going to be taking out 5 20s to make $100 for the groceries. Next is going to be toiletries. And then the toiletries, this is $40. It's going to get 2 $20 bills. And the next is going to be cleaners. And I am going to contribute $100, and this is going to my cleaner sinking fund, and it's just going to get a $100 bill. And then up next is going to be household. This is the money that will be contributed to my household sinking fund, and this is an amount of $50. I'm just going to do one $50 bill. And then up next is medical. And medical is going to get $30, and it's just going to be a 20 and a 10. And then next up is going to be skincare. And for skincare, that's going to get $30 too. All of these will be going to sinking funds, and this is going to get a 20 and a 10 as well. And then next up is going to be savings. This is just going to my general savings, and this is going to be an amount of $500, and I'm just going to get 5 $100 bills. And then I did add something that I didn't have in the budget, but I ended up adding it to the budget after I was done. I have forgotten about it, and this is jazzy money, just basically my allowance, if you will. It's going to be $50, and I'm just adding it to that envelope, and it's just going to be a $50 bill. This totals $900, and it's going to be 6 $100 bills, 2 50s. Oh, my poor little pen, it's just not working. I don't know. Come on. I'm gonna have to get another pen. That one's not working. I'll use this one. And 9 20s and 2 $10 bills. This is $600, $100, $180, and $20. And when you add all of that up, you get $900. So that is what I'm going to be taking out of the bank, or this is the amount of money I'm going to be taking out of the bank. And now I'm going to unstuff the money that needs to be deposited in the bank. So I have my little notes here and my little book here. This is my mini happy planner. So the first thing that I'm going to unstuff is cleaners, and that's $170. The bill was $169 and some change, but I am just going to deposit $170 in the bank to make that payment. 1, 20, 40, 60. And I don't have a $10 bill, so I have a 5. Let me see if I can make change somewhere. I probably can. Let me check. And 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'm going to take a $20 bill and put it here. All right. So in the cleaner envelope, I'm unstuffing 120, 40, 60, 70. And the rest of this goes back in the cleaner sinking fund. If you have not started with sinking funds, you definitely should. It's where you save a little bit of money over time for needed items. It can be needed items or even wants. You can have a vacation sinking fund, a cleaner sinking fund, you can have a 1 month ahead sinking fund, a Costco sinking fund, household skincare, whatever it is, a clothes sinking fund. It's just a clever way to save a little bit over time for things that you need or want. And then Costco, I need to take out $100 from Costco. The bill is like $100.14, but I'm just gonna take the $100 bill out, and I have a total of $120 left. Sorry if you guys can hear, it's trash day. So total amount that I will be depositing in the bank is 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. So $270 will be going back to the bank. Also, I need to complete my little bank slip that I take to the bank. So let me grab that really quick. So I will be using the clear bag here to put the money in. And I'm just going to be using the cash slips. And these cash slips came from the Budget Mom as well. I'm just going to write the denominations here that I'm taking out. Put both of these in here. I'm gonna head to the bank, and then I'm gonna come back for us to stuff the envelopes that we have for this paycheck. I am back from the bank, and I have my $900 here, so I'm just gonna count it out really quick, and I'm gonna start stuffing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $600 in $600 bills. 250s is 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 200. Oops, what? Let's try this again. I guess I'm thrown off by these 20s she gave me that she could have kept in the drawer. I should have asked her for some different 20s. Anyway, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 180. And then 2 10s. So this is what we have to work with today. And I actually have another $100 bill that I need to stuff. That was from last week. I never stuffed it. So the first envelope, well, first let me see if I have any money in any of these envelopes, and I don't think that I do. I don't have anything in here. Okay, so the first envelope that I am going to be stuffing today is the grocery envelope, and that's going to be 5 $20 bills. And then the next envelope is toiletries, and that is going to be $40. And that's 2 20s here. And that's it for my daily wallet. Next up, I'm going to be stuffing some sinking funds. And so up will be household, which is going to get a $50 bill. And my household envelope is my Costco envelope. I don't have a household envelope right now, so I'm just using my Costco envelope as a household envelope. So total in here I have 50, 100, 50, 70, so $170. This is for household items like toilet paper, cleaning products, paper towels, and things like that. And then next up is going to be medical. Medical is going to be getting $30, a 20, and a 10. And medical is right here. This is, of course, for any medical expenses, any co-pays, any prescriptions or anything I need to order. So total in here is $20, $40, $50, $5 in medical. And then next up is skincare, and that's gonna get $30. And this is, of course, for exactly what it is, skincare. This is for skincare. Oh, like, you know, skincare products. So 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. So $90 in skincare. And then next up is, I'm gonna skip savings. I'm gonna go to Jazzy Money, and I don't have an envelope for that, so I'm just gonna put it in this JW envelope. This is what it used to say. I wanted to say Jazzy Money though, but I'm gonna have to create an envelope for that, and when I feel like it, I will. This is going to get $50 today, and this is the $100 that I was supposed to put in here last time I got paid. And this is just basically my money that I can do whatever I want to do with it. It doesn't have to go for anything specific. If I want some clothes, a bottle of perfume, if I want to put it towards an investment, if I want to do whatever it is, I have this money that's open and free for me to use. And that is it for my sinking funds envelope, or this is it for my sinking funds wallet. Next up is savings. So this is my savings wallet or savings binder from that I used this year. And I'm just gonna go over to the month of December. Even though this is not a part of the 3K saving challenge, I'm just going to use this December envelope. I could just put it in here, just in the general savings envelope, which I think I am. Yeah, so I'm just putting this in the general savings envelope. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have an extra $100 for something. Oh, this was supposed to go in the cleaners. I didn't stuff that. I didn't stuff the cleaners. I just went right to household. Okay, so this is just going in the general savings wallet or envelope, excuse me. And then I'm gonna grab the sinking funds again, and let me go to the cleaners and stuff this envelope. So we have 150, 190, 210, 215, 225. You guys be counting this like fast, like boom, 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 boom. I can't count that fast. Anyway, I have a ton of clothes I still need to take to the cleaners, so that's why I'm saving money for that. And this pretty much sums up everything. Once again, if you guys did not catch the video where I budgeted all of this out, please watch the budgeting video that I just did. I'm also talking about how to prevent late payments, or how to avoid paying your bills late when you are unemployed, or possibly just you think you don't have enough money or whatnot. And I do address that in that video. So if you haven't checked that video out, I will leave it linked here at the end. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with your girl, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.
You're special and you're reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she's my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright.